What is going on, fellow nerds? Jamocha here with another pair of headphones to review. This time I bring you a pair of Riwbox headphones. How do these budget pair of headphones fare against the others? I'll give you all the details in just a moment. As always, when I do my reviews, I like to focus on three key areas: design, functionality, and of course, sound. But before we get down to business, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Now, let's get down to business. I was really excited when Riwbox sent me these headphones to review because it's the first time I've used any of their products and the headphones look really cool. Before we get to the design, let's see what's in the box. You have the 3.5mm cable, micro USB charging cable, user manual, and the headphones. Okay, let's get to the design of the Riwbox XBT80 over-the-ear headphones. First, I opted for the white, gold, and gray color scheme. The color scheme works really well together and give the headphones a premier look. They are quite comfortable and appear to just float and have a light feel on my head. The earmuffs, while not the softest nor the largest in the over-the-ear class, the feel is more than passable. Keep in mind, these are budget headphones, so you're not going to get the premium quality in every area. Here's a note of caution. If you have a larger head or a lot of hair, these may be a little tight for someone to squeeze in. Overall, for a budget pair of headphones, the design is spot on. On a full charge, these headphones should last about 10 hours. And during my testing, that was right around what I was getting. 10 hours is not a long battery life, even on a budget pair of headphones. Charging time is about 2 hours, and you should get about 160 hours of standby time. Bluetooth 5 is also included in these, so you should have great range. All the controls are located on the left ear cup, along with the USB charging port, the 3.5mm jack when you want to use the wire, and the micro SD slot. More on that later. Here's where I'm going to be the most critical. There are 5 buttons that handle all the functions. Today's headphones usually feature just a few buttons to accomplish the same. The problem here is that it can be a little confusing to use the controls. You have the power button, which does all of this, previous song and volume up, play, pause, volume down, and previous song. So if you follow me, the volume down and the previous song button is at the top, while the volume up and next song button is at the bottom. Don't you think that should have been reversed? Oh, and the final button is the switch between Bluetooth and SD card mode. So this is a unique feature where you slide in the SD card and you can listen to it straight from the headphones. No other device needed. I don't see many use cases for listening to it in the SD card. I guess if you wanted to go light and leave your headphones behind and just pop in the SD card and be out, that could work. I'm sure somebody out there will find some use for it. The 3.5mm cable does include an inline microphone for wired use. Alright, let's dive into the sound. The Riwbox XBT80 headphones offer quality sound and deep bass. Most budget headphones really try to overcompensate by having extra bass to appeal to the youngins. With that said, thankfully, Riwbox didn't do that. There is more bass than normal, but never did it rattle or sounded muffled. For a sub $35 pair of headphones, don't expect these to compete with higher end headphones, but listening to the music, I was not at all disappointed by the sound. Vocals came through with no problem, and I was able to hear some of the subtle instruments in the background. While the call quality was adequate and got the job done, I would not use these for a long or very important conversation. Riwbox XBT80 delivered a solid package for a pair of budget headphones. Typical things you would expect from a budget pair of headphones: good sound for the price, great design, and aesthetics. The extra bass is there for all you bass lovers, but it's not exaggerated in any way. Just a little extra oomph for listening pleasure. When handling these, you can tell that they are a cheaper pair of headphones based on the material, so a little caution not to handle them roughly. I do wish the button labels were more prominent by using color on them and less buttons to fuss with. If you're looking for a budget pair of over-the-ear headphones that perform well, you may want to give these a look. Thanks for taking the time to watch this review. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Make sure you check me out on social media. Also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest tech news, check out soundsnerdy.com/news, where tech news is aggregated and curated daily from dozens of websites across the web in one convenient place. That's all I got, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Stay nerdy.